What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Bond's Apartment. I am Luke. Today, we are looking at another micro brand. This time, it is True North. True North Watch Co., True North Collections, however you want to say it. That's what we're looking at today. We have a special delivery. Before I get into it, though, make sure to like, subscribe, and join the membership. I have a membership now. It's pretty cheap, and the idea behind it is to post member-only videos, member-only live streams, things like that. So please join. I appreciate it. Before we dive into unboxing this, let me get into why and what True North is. So we'll start with what True North is. True North is a design studio rooted in the romance of the analog world, where time moves slower, objects were built with purpose, and beauty emerged through use. Founded in LA by wildlife photographer Shane Russick, True North approaches watchmaking through the eyes of a documentarian. Each piece draws from a vintage tool watch in mid-century design, reinterpreted for modern life with a focus on clarity, restraint, and honest materials. They design watches to be worn without hesitation, durable enough to travel anywhere, accessible enough to be used as intended. These are tools first, refined by time rather than protected from it. Scratches, wear, and patina aren't flaws. They become a visible memory, time leaving its signature behind. In a world obsessed with speed and screens, True North exists to celebrate stillness, craftsmanship, and the quiet ritual of watching time pass. Time is one thing we can't get back. We believe it's worth enjoying. That is directly from their website, obviously. The whole spiel, they're affordable, they're meant to be worn. So buy one, wear it, beat it up. That's it. That simple. Why this? I am a sucker for micro brands. But in particular, I will admit I like when I discover a micro brand and then discover that it's like valid. It's got some validity to it. Other people in the watch community are wearing it. I happen to see this on an episode of Talking Watches where they were interviewing a professional golfer, and he had the True North Palm Beach. And then you go to their website, they actually got kind of a cool little section called Notable Owners Gallery. And you see like Randall Park and different celebrities and of course Mr. Wonderful and people like this wearing these watches. So to me, and I'll flat out admit, it kind of validates getting one. Just like, well, there's people that, especially Mr. Wonderful, like he's very well respected in the watch community. And I will give him a ton of credit for the amount of money he has. He does wear a lot of micro brands and more affordable watches. I was like, well, we might as well take a look into one. So here we are. So let's do the unboxing, shall we? There you go. I like the packaging that it comes in. True North Watch Co., Los Angeles. I'm going to be in Los Angeles towards the end of the month. So if True Watch Co., if you guys watch this, I would love to come to your studio and check this out. True Watch Co. Open it up, you got a little styrofoam in there, protector, and bang. There she is. So I chose the Heritage Chronograph, and this is the Heritage Chrono Ghost Bezel with tropical subdials, 325. Bang. Not too bad. Let's see if there's anything else in the watch box. Probably not, I would assume. Yeah. So no like certificate of authenticity, price tag, anything like that. No manual, no tools, nothing like that. Literally just the watch. But like they said, simplicity is key. They weren't kidding. So there's that. Let's get into a little bit about the design of this one in particular. The movement. It is a Seiko VK63 Mecha Quartz. The patina. Heritage Collection continues their work to perform and recreate patina. Each watch is finished with warm yellow lume, capturing the timeless character of vintage horology. Dimensions on this one: the case diameter is 37 millimeter, case length 44 millimeter, case thickness 13.8, and the lug width is 20 millimeters. It's got domed crystal with sapphire coated mineral crystal. Bracelet, obviously this is all stainless steel. Water resistance, nothing crazy. Obviously, usually chronographs are not big time dive watches, but this one is only 50 meters, aka 165 feet. That's pretty much it for the specs on this watch. But let's kind of, it's very well preserved the way that they ship it to you. So let's try to get some of this stuff off, and I will put it on my wrist so we can get kind of a quick little look at it. Logo right on the clasp, which is nice. Very nice, polished, kind of brushed clasp. Pretty nice. I mean, that's the thing. It's like, I like getting these like kind of quality, cool little talking piece watches for cheap prices. You know what I mean? And then, as I said earlier, there is a little bit of validity to exploring a micro brand that some kind of well-known people are using, just to show you. So yeah, pretty sweet. I love the dial. It's white. They said tropical dials. It's like a light brown. The bezel's like a gray. It's pretty freaking cool. Very light. Nothing, no markings or anything on the case back, just kind of a mirrored finish. But I like it. I mean, it's a cool little watch. You can't beat it for the price. It's a good talking point. Just a quartz watch, obviously fully functioning chronograph movement. That Mecha Quartz Seiko movement is actually very well respected for a quartz chronograph movement, but the chronograph is fully functional on here. But that's it. Quick little review of a micro brand. I really like it. Let's see, I think the price $325. Yeah, $325. It got here in like 2 days from LA to Michigan, which is pretty cool. I'm one of those people, I take off all of the plastic right off the rip. My dad was the opposite. You can go to my parents' house and there would still be plastic on like a DVD player from like 2008. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. True North Collections, True North Watch Co. If you guys are watching, like I said, I'll be out there. Love to stop by and see you guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.